What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're making some bibimbap. That's a Korean dish. Bibimbap is basically a mixed rice. So yeah, let's check out all these ingredients. There's a lot of ingredients in this one, and let's get this cook going. So right here we got some peppers, some bell peppers. We got some fresh cabbage, some mushrooms, carrots, some ribeye steak. We got some zucchini right here, and this sauce is for the steak. After I cook the steak, I'm going to put that on there. Got all that in the description below. Then we got some rice right here. I cooked this last night, so it's all ready to go for today. We got the main sauce right here. This is some good stuff. I got all that in the description. And then we got some bean sprouts right here that we're going to put in. Got them chilling in some cold water. And then we got one egg to throw on top. And that's it. Let's get it going. So right now, over here on the right side, we're at about 350. I have this burner off, and these two are on high. So yeah, we're gonna get started over here with some veggies. A little avocado oil. Now I'm gonna cook this stuff separately because if you know what bibimbap is, I mean, everything is kind of separated on the dish. So let's just go ahead and get this stuff turned up. These mixed peppers. All right, let's just put them up here a little bit. Let them just do their thing. Then I'm gonna just put a little over here. Get the zucchini going. All right. Carrot. I love carrots, so I got a little extra of that. All right. Let's just mix this stuff up a little bit. Put you over, keep it separated. All right. There we go. Just want to get a little bit of cook going on these. And I'm going to move all the stuff that's done over to the side over here. Just nice and easy. So the zucchini is already getting kind of soft, so I just move that to the side. Now let's get these mushrooms going right over here. All right, these carrots are actually, let's see how we're doing on these. Yeah, these peppers are looking good. I'm just trying to get this stuff to get a little soft. That's all I'm trying to do. All right, the mushrooms are done. Now normally we would use shiitake mushrooms, but I didn't make it to the store today, so that's what we normally would have used. Alright, just keep these over to the side, keep them going good. These carrots, man, everything over here is smelling real good. Alright, these carrots are looking good. You know what? These are good. We're good on the carrots. Let's just move these over here too. Over here to the warm side. Still got these burners still on high. Let's see where we're rolling at now. It started at 350. We're at 380. It's not bad at all. All right, let's get going on some meat. We'll put a little more of the avocado oil down. Oh, now this is just 1 cup of ribeye, just cut into slices. That's all it is. It's gonna cook up fairly fast. So let's just spread the stuff around. See, look at that. Already cooking. Bring it up. So the steak, now I cooked the steak almost all the way through, and then I threw the sauce on because I wanted to finish cooking it in that. Ooh, yeah, look at that. That's looking and smelling so good. All right, let's just move that over to the side over here. Boom. Now I'm gonna clean a little spot. So we're gonna do some rice. All right, clean this spot right here. Get that sauce off. All that. Ah, look at that. All right, so put a little avocado oil down right here. We're still looking nice and hot. We're at 400 now. Should get the rice done pretty quick. Just trying to break it up a little more. Now when I cook my rice, I cook it the night before. I know I've talked about that every single time, but I always put either, depending on what kind of meat I'm putting in the dish, I'll put like I'm doing beef, so I put some beef stock in there. Ooh, yes. So it gives it a little brown color, so it's not all the way white, how this dish normally is. But that's no problem. This is gonna taste delicious. Just spread this around, let it warm up. Boom. All right, let's just let that go for a hot second. And let me get these bean sprouts over here. So these, you bring them, you put them in a pot with water, you bring it to a boil, shut it down, and that's pretty much all you do. And then just put them in some cold water. That's all you got to do, and them things are done. So now I'm just putting them on here to kind of warm them up a little bit. Get that going good. All right, and the cabbage is going to go on fresh. So we're good on that as well. Whew. Man, I don't even know what to do with myself. It's all looking so good. All right, so my pan is at 406. So what normally would happen is they would cook this and put it in a like a rock bowl, like a bowl made out of a rock, and it would get really hot, so you don't want to touch it or anything. Then just put a little oil in it. Let that stuff get nice and hot, and now we're gonna build it. Almost forgot the cabbage over here. Let's put that right in there. Boom. There's a lot of flavors going on in there right now. So now, sunny side up egg. Just one of them. It's pretty hot right now, so it shouldn't take too long to cook that. Boom. All right. Now, I mean, this is going to be pretty darn hot. So, gonna need a thing to lift it up. Ooh, man, look at all these flavors in here. Man. Oh, man, this just smells just amazing. So when I put that rice in, I kind of, before I started putting the other ingredients, I kind of patted it down so it got like a nice base in there. Because you want that bottom to kind of fry. That's what this dish, with this dish, that's what you're supposed to do. So, yeah, I mean, and this sauce, so good. I got everything in the description of how I made the steak sauce and the red sauce, because I'm not even gonna try to pronounce what it's called and how to, the ingredients in it. No, it's just too much. But man, let's just dive in. Man, just mixing all this stuff around. Ooh, look at all these flavors. Got a nice crust on the bottom there. I know you couldn't feel it, but when I flipped it over in that little close-up, got some nice little searing going on that rice down there. And then if you need to, add a little bit more sauce. Now this stuff is spicy. I mean, it's not too terribly spicy, but it definitely has some spice. I'm just mixing it all together. And they say I watched a few YouTube videos on this before I made it because I gotten some requests for it, and yeah, just wanted to see how they do it, how the professionals do it. And they say eat it with a spoon. That's how they do it. So let's get a piece of this steak. Get some of these veggies. Zucchini right here. That is good. That steak is nice and tender. Nice crunch on those veggies. I just wanted them a little soft. I didn't want them to get all, crazy hard or, cooked and everything. That is so good. Nice crunch on that cabbage too. Everything about this is amazing right now. I'm gonna get in and eat. Appreciate you guys coming along. Get out of here, bug. Don't forget to like the video if you did like it. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.